If you are looking for great-sounding bookshelf speakers without spending a fortune, you are in the right place. In this video, we are breaking down the best bookshelf speakers you can buy under $500. These are speakers that deliver real sound quality, solid build, and proven performance in small to medium rooms. We are covering 5 popular options from brands like SVS, ELAC, Klipsch, KEF, and DALI, and explaining who each one is actually for. No hype, no spec overload, just honest impressions to help you choose the right speaker for your setup. Let's get started. Number 5. The SVS Prime satellite speakers are a great example of how big sound can come from a very compact design. Built for flexibility, these speakers work equally well as front channels, surrounds, or height speakers in a home theater setup. Their small footprint makes them easy to place on shelves or mount on a wall or ceiling without dominating the room. Despite the size, the sound is impressively full and controlled. The 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter delivers clean, airy highs that stay smooth, even at higher volumes. The 4.5-inch woofer adds surprising punch and depth, making these speakers feel larger than they look. Dialogue remains clear and effects sound precise, which is especially noticeable in surround sound setups. SVS borrows heavily from its higher-end Ultra series, and it shows. The build quality feels solid, and the sound match two-way crossover keeps transitions between drivers natural and well-balanced. These speakers also blend seamlessly with other SVS Prime and Ultra models, making system expansion easy. For anyone needing compact speakers without sacrificing performance, the SVS Prime Satellite hits a rare balance of size, sound quality, and value. Number 4. The ELAC Debut 3.0 DB63BK bookshelf speakers continue ELAC's reputation for delivering serious sound quality at an approachable price. Designed for music lovers and home audio enthusiasts alike, these speakers combine clean styling with performance that feels well above their class. At the top end, the 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter delivers crisp, detailed highs without sounding sharp or fatiguing. The redesigned waveguide and phase plug help spread sound evenly across the room, creating a wider and more immersive listening experience. Mid-range clarity is excellent, making vocals sound natural and well-defined. The 6.5-inch aramid fiber woofer is a standout feature. Its stiff, well-damped cone produces tight, controlled bass with impressive depth for a bookshelf speaker. With a bass reflex design and a frequency response that reaches down to 42 Hz, these speakers can easily fill a small to medium room without a subwoofer for casual listening. Internal cabinet bracing reduces unwanted resonance, keeping the sound clean and focused. Add in the elegant black ash finish and magnetically attached grills, and the Debut 3.0 DB63BK delivers a refined look to match its confident, balanced sound.
Number 3. The Klipsch RP600M Reference Premier. Your bookshelf speakers are built for listeners who want energy, clarity, and a lively presentation from a compact speaker. Known for their bold sound signature, these speakers deliver an engaging experience that works especially well for rock, movies, and live recordings. The 1-inch titanium LTS vented tweeter, paired with Klipsch's hybrid Tractrix horn, produces crisp highs with excellent efficiency. The horn design helps focus the sound toward the listener, improving detail and dynamic impact without requiring a lot of amplifier power. Vocals and lead instruments come through with strong presence and clarity. Low and mid frequencies are handled by a 6.5-inch spun copper Oberon metallic woofer. Bass is tight and punchy, with a satisfying sense of weight for a bookshelf speaker. The rear-firing Tractrix port enhances low-end output while keeping distortion under control, though some breathing room from the wall is recommended. Build quality is solid, with dual binding posts for bi-wire or bi-amp setups, and a clean, modern look. The removable magnetic grille adds flexibility. If you enjoy a forward dynamic sound, the RP600M is a compelling choice.
Number 2. The KEF Q150 bookshelf speakers are designed for listeners who value accuracy, balance, and a natural soundstage. With KEF's signature UniQ driver array at the core, These speakers deliver a cohesive and focused listening experience that works equally well for music, movies, and everyday listening. The Uni-Q design places the tweeter at the acoustic center of the mid-bass driver, allowing sound to radiate evenly across the room. This results in clear imaging and a wide sweet spot, so vocals and instruments sound precise, even when you are not sitting directly in front of the speakers. High frequencies are smooth and detailed, avoiding harshness during longer listening sessions. Bass performance is clean and controlled, aided by redesigned internal architecture that reduces unwanted resonances. While the Q150 does not exaggerate low-end output, it delivers accurate and well-defined bass that pairs nicely with a subwoofer if deeper extension is desired. The rear port helps reinforce low frequencies, though some space from the wall is recommended. With a minimalist matte black finish and solid build quality, the KEF Q150 fits easily into modern setups. For listeners who prefer clarity and realistic imaging over exaggerated punch, the Q150 is an excellent choice. Number 1. The DALI Oberon 1 bookshelf speakers are built for listeners who appreciate a natural, open sound with excellent clarity in a compact form. Designed in line with DALI's wide dispersion philosophy, these speakers deliver consistent audio across a broad listening area, making placement less critical than many competitors. High frequencies are smooth and airy, blending seamlessly with the mid-range for a relaxed yet detailed presentation. Vocals sound natural and well-balanced, while instruments maintain their texture without becoming sharp or fatiguing. The crossover design plays a key role here, ensuring clean transitions and a cohesive sound signature. The Oberon 1's wood fiber woofer is a standout feature. Made from a blend of fine-grained paper pulp reinforced with wood fibers, it is both lightweight and rigid. This allows the speaker to reproduce subtle details with impressive accuracy. The patented SMC disc in the magnet system reduces distortion, keeping the sound clean even at higher volumes. Visually, the rounded cabinet edges and fabric front grille give the Oberon 1 a refined, modern look that fits easily into most spaces. If you want a compact bookshelf speaker that prioritizes clarity, balance, and natural tone, the DALI Oberon 1 is a strong choice. So that wraps up our list of the best bookshelf speakers under $500. As you have seen, there is no single best speaker for everyone. The right choice depends on your room size, listening habits, and the kind of sound you enjoy most. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Subscribe to Tech eGadget for more honest tech and audio reviews. And drop a comment below letting us know which speaker you would pick, or if you are already using one of these. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.